Today we're in Matthew 5, verses 43 and 44. You have heard that it was said, "You shall love your neighbor and hate your enemy." But I say to you, love your enemies, bless those who curse you, do good to those who hate you, and pray for those who spitefully use you and persecute you. Of course, that is a very difficult thing to do, and their so called leaders set an absolute terrible example for that. So I say we need to not be like them. Do not be like our government. Do not be like our so called leaders. Try and live and let live. Try forgiving some people. Lots of people hate me. I don't care. Most people that you hate, they don't care. So let's leave it behind. It's bad for your health. It's bad for everybody. It's bad for your children. Set an example. Try forgiving. Moving forward. Something we all need to do. Talk to Jesus.